Today, I'm going to be showing you direct contact of employers in the UK who are currently hiring and recruiting overseas care workers. I'm going to be showing you where to send your CV to these employers and recruiters in the UK, most especially if you are already in the UK currently seeking for visa sponsorship or looking for switch, then you may just want to watch this video till the end. I'm also going to be showing those who are from overseas on how to navigate this job search successfully, how to apply to these jobs using the direct contact of these employers currently sponsoring people all over the world. So if you're ready, like I'm ready, please ensure you're coming in with your book and your pen as always. Today is for care assistants, caregivers, care workers, nurses all around the world looking for this opportunity in the UK. Guys, the amazing part of this is that you don't need to worry about going like places, searching and searching for this job. No, I am just going to take you straight on how and where to find these employers, their direct contacts, where to send your CV using their email, and many much more. Trust me, this live stream today is going to be very beneficial. I'm not going to take so much of your time. I'm going to dive right in. So if you're just joining me, please let me know where you're watching from. Also, please like this video, and as you do, may God bless you. Guys, so let me know right now if you're seeing my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen as usual. And so we're just going to get started. So let me know if you're seeing my screen right now. All is going to be displayed on my screen. How to contact these employers, where to contact these employers, and many much more. So I believe you can see my screen now. There are three means on getting a care job in the UK currently. And if anyone has ever told you that the UK has stopped hiring caregivers, tell them it's a big lie, as the UK is still in the business of recruiting international applicants, foreign applicants, overseas care workers, those who are looking for visa sponsorship, looking for the legal and legit means of moving into the UK. This opportunity is still available for you. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and type in UK tier sponsor list and click on the first one Google will bring out for you. Now, before I go further, let me start by saying that currently now in the UK, before you get a job with visa sponsorship in the care sector, you need to ensure that this care worker, employers rather, these recruiters are licensed, approved by the CQC. So that is also going to be another agenda of today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to get these employers who are CQC approved, where to get these employers who are CQC approved. Not only that, also I would be showing you on this screen where it talks about the visa sponsorship and international recruitment. Remember, I said if you're joining me, as I can see so many people joining now, please ensure you are joining with a book and pen, as you'll be needed to take notes. It is very, very vital. It is very important. Also, share this video to your loved ones, to your family, friends who are seeking for this opportunity. They should watch this video. This is a very good video where I would be breaking down the step-by-step method for you. Now, when you go to your Google Chrome, you type UK test sponsor list, you click on the first one. Importantly, guys, you see where it says all industry, you click on that, you click on care home. Now listen to me. Any employer in the care sector that is not on this list, who are promising you that they can give you a sponsorship, any recruiter that is not on this list, who are telling you they can give you a care visa, please note those recruiters are scammers. The only recruiters who can hire you currently in the UK with a free visa sponsorship, where you don't need to pay a penny or a dime, where you can move into the UK for free to come and work, live, and settle, are the only ones on this list. Now, when you come here, the important thing you need to do is click on descending. This is because if you don't click on descending, you may just miss that opportunity. This is also because clicking on descending would allow you to see the most current employers right now, the direct employers right now who are hiring care workers. If you don't click on descending, you may waste so much of your time sending in application without getting a positive response. Now, for you to get a very good response, a positive feedback, and a yes to that your job application, you need to click on descending, click on search. Now, there are so many employers in the care sector currently sponsoring right now. But if you click on descending, it takes you to the most current one where you can send your CV to, where you can apply to, and you may just find it very lucky to get a job with them. Guys, I hope you're following me. If you're following me and if you are seeing my screen, please let me know you are still seeing my screen. Okay? You know, when I come here, it's like fire for fire. We are having a serious business here, not jokes, not play. So, going back on that list, you can see where it says date added. That is very important, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to try to zoom this a bit so you can see very clear. Now, this date added is important as it allows you to look for that employer who have the sponsorship or who just got the COS currently to give to you. Some people who are watching me for the first time may be asking, what is COS? COS is called Certificate of Sponsorship, which an employer can give to an employee, in this case being an overseas worker, overseas applicant, or those in the UK looking for switch or another sponsorship. This COS is an electronic number where you can use to apply for visa and get a stay in the UK for free. You don't need to pay a penny for it. Now, when you do that, you can also see where it shows like green icons. These green icons is your golden ticket to reach out to these employers directly. I hope you guys are still following me. To reach out to these employers directly. Now, you can see where it says industry. It tells you the kind of industry these employers run, which could be a care home, which could be a domiciliary care sector. Different care varies. So if you're a care assistant or you intend moving to the UK as a care assistant, you've been looking for this opportunity for so long, I repeat again, please pay attention to today's video. This is what people actually pay for me to teach them, but here I am giving you for free. So please leave all distractions, pay attention to today's video. A lot of people have gotten jobs through using the step-by-step guide I'm giving you today. A lot of people have gotten a sponsorship using these employers' links, the direct contact of these employers I'm giving you all today. So please pay close and full attention. Now, you see where it says rows per page. This is to tell you that there are so many employers currently on this list, like a lot of them, over 3,000. But we need to go to the current ones, like I said earlier. So to go straight to the point right now, when you come here, you see where it says the name. You look at the name, 11 Sisters Healthcare Limited. You click on this link, the green icon, it will take you directly to the employer website. Directly to the employer's website. And coming to the employer's website, you can see for a fact they are hiring. Now remember, if you go to the UK tier sponsor list, you remember that you saw on this list, they just got the license on the 10th of this month, 2024. So there's a lot of possibilities that when you reach out to them, you may just be lucky. One of my agenda of today's live stream is to show you precisely where to send your email to. Now we are using this 11 Sisters Healthcare Limited as an illustration. You click on the link, you go to the company's website directly. When you go to the company's website directly, the first thing you need to check for when you scroll, the first thing you need to check for is to see if this company operates in the UK, and definitely they do. As long as you've seen them on that tier sponsor list, definitely they do operate in the UK, as you can see their head office address. Now, after verifying that, you need to go to where it says career. Looking at the career, you can see where it says recruitment. You click on recruitment. You can see where it talks about all their recruitment, be it you're a registered nurse, you're a healthcare worker, you are looking to come in as a care support worker, you're looking to come in as a live-in carer, this opportunity is for you. You could click on more details to read further on what the job vacancy is and how to apply. Or alternatively, you can just go straight to applying for this job, putting in your name, your email, your phone number, your cover letter. You put your CV by clicking choose file and you click on submit. Now, I don't just want you to stop here after sending your CV to this employer. I want you to still go ahead, guys. Importantly, go to where it says contact us. When you go to where it says contact us, you scroll, you look for their email. As you can see, you ensure you send them your CV also using the email. That is, even after applying on their websites, also go ahead to apply via the email. Applying or sending your job application through the email is not as hard as most people think. You just need to attach your CV. Most importantly, your CV, your cover letter. Your CV comprises of your certificates, your experience, and every other thing you have should be in your CV, your full personal details and information. You send it to them. You write a very brief and straight to the point mail. Should not be nothing more than 2 paragraphs. Introduce yourself. Hello, hiring manager. My name is Clara. I have got skills in this aspect. I'm an experienced caregiver, or I am a registered nurse. I believe I'm the right candidate for this job. Kindly find attached my resume or my CV. Straight, simple, just very straight to the point. That is how it should be. I am saying this because I have seen a lot of you who have sent me an email. The way you write your emails, I laugh. So please go straight to the point when sending email, as not to overwhelm these employers. Now, you can see if you're a living carer, domiciliary carer, you are needed currently. You are a nurse, you are needed. However, you're not going to stop here. There's still so many employers who are still hiring, who just got their license currently. I say target and focus on those ones who just got their license currently, probably only this year, start from 2024, who just got their license. As when you reach out to them, it is very much likely for you to get a positive answer. Now we're going to use another employer here, a direct employer, on how to get their contacts. Guys, I hope you're still following me. I hope you're still seeing my screen. The purpose of this video is not just for Clara. The purpose of this video is for you to benefit from today's live stream. As a matter of fact, this is because I just got a testimony yesterday from one of my subscribers who said finally she has gotten a job in the UK in the care sector. After trying for so long, she finally got a job using the information I put out here. And it motivated me to make more videos like this, as I know so many of you are going to be getting testimonies very soon. Now, going back to the tier sponsor list, you can come to any of this employer of your choice. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't say any of these employers, but I would say all of these employers. Come to them, each one of them, you click on the green icon, it takes you straight to their company website and you apply to jobs. Straight to them, you go to their contact page, you apply to these jobs. So many of them, some just got a license on the 3rd of this month, June, 4th of this month, 31st of May. Current, recent, direct, legit employers. Every one of these employers you see here on the screen cannot scam you, neither can they defraud you. This is because they've done true thorough checks by the UK government. Now, let's say you exhaust this first row and you still want to apply more to more of this job. All you need to do is come to the down page, like scroll down, you put in the number, let's say 2, and you click go page. When you click go page, it brings out another set of employers currently in the care sector, another row of employers currently in this care sector. St. Cecilia Care Home, Grange Cottage Residential Care Home, a lot of them are here. Let's say you exhaust the second row, you go to the down page, you put in 3, you click on go. As you can see, there are currently 102 rows. What does this mean? It means there's so many employers. If you calculate how many employers per row, this is over 10 employers per row. Multiply that times 102. It shows you have so many options. But like I said, please target the most recent one. This is one step on getting the direct contact of employers in the UK. Like I said, Indeed is not going to give you a job now if you're an overseas applicant or looking for a sponsorship. You are not going to see a care visa sponsorship currently now on Indeed. You can't see it on Glassdoor or any other websites currently now. You need to come straight to this website the government has opened up for all overseas applicants or those applicants, job seekers who are looking for sponsorship right now. So this is just one for care home. Now let's say you are a nurse. You went through all of this. Or let's say you are a care assistant. After going through this care home list, you still did not find that which suits you. Guess what? You have another option. The other option is medical. You click on medical, and as usual, again, you click on descending so that you get the current employers who now have the license to sponsor you and give you a free certificate of sponsorship. When you click on the medicals, you can see definitely it brought out employers who just got the license. Current hiring direct employers who just got the license. As usual, all you need to do is click on this green link. When you click on the green link, it takes you straight to the company's website. As simple as this. I hope you can see my screen, guys. I hope you can see my screen. I'm going to be showing you yet another method. This one, a lot of you find it difficult, but I'm going to try as much as I can explaining, teaching to let you know it's not as difficult as most people think. Absolutely not difficult. And what you're going to do again is you're going to go to your screen, your Google Chrome, be it on your phone, on your laptop. You go to your Google Chrome, and all you need to do is type in CQC, and you click on the first one Google brings out for you. I hope you can see my screen, guys. I'm going to zoom this so you can see clearly. When you click on the first one Google brings out for you, it says they are CQC, Independent Regulatory of Health, um, Regulator of Health and Social Care England. Now, why is this list important? It is important as of the new law implemented by the UK government to say before you get a care sponsorship, these employers must be CQC approved. Now you click on all services, you click on care home for those care workers, care assistants who are looking for certificate of sponsorship. You click on care home. When you click on care home, importantly, you can click on search for care home. Currently, there is about 14,712 care homes now in the UK on this list. However, most importantly, you need to pay close attention to something. This is the something here. You see where it says overhaul is what you need to pay close attention to. Meaning, if I were you, or if I'm a job seeker at this moment, I'm only going to be going to the ones who have like the green overall icon here saying good. I'm never going to go to the ones that have black. I'm never going to go to the ones that have inadequate. I'm only going to stick applying to the ones that have good. Also note, because a care home is on this list of the CQC, doesn't mean they are licensed sponsors. So what you should do is when you come here, you see all of those care homes. When you get the name, oh, where's my link? When you get the name, the first thing you should do is to ensure you are going back to your tier sponsor list, okay, to search if that care company is truly for a fact a licensed sponsor. And believe me, if they are, you apply. So, guys, these are the direct contacts of employers in the UK who can sponsor you. I repeat, any other employer, person, team, whatever, telling you they can give you a sponsorship in the UK that is not on this list, then you know they're a scammer. And even if you are getting a job offer, and the job offer is carrying any of this employer's name who are on this list, is carrying the name on your job offer, and you are hearing something like, oh, pay this money, pay that money, run away, that is the scammer trying to use this employer's identity to scam and also impersonate them. So please ensure you're coming to the right source using the right link to apply and send your CV to them. Guys, I know today's video has been quite informative. If you gather any value from today's live stream, please do me a favor by hitting that like button. Tell me, say, Clara, you are doing a good job, as I know I am doing a wonderful job. In my next live stream coming up tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you a lot of agencies currently in the UK who are hiring overseas workers in the care sector. Be it you're a care assistant, Be it you're a nurse, be it you're a doctor, pharmacist, name it, as long as you're a care worker in the care profession, then these agencies may just be for you. Remember also, guys, one very important thing in terms of applying to this job and getting a successful response is your CV. Your CV is where the magic begins. Your CV is what the employer is looking for and looking out. What your CV is what is going to sell you. So ensure you are tailoring your CV to the job specification. Ensure you are tailoring your CV exactly to the job specification. If you need a good CV, you can reach me using my email just as displayed on the screen called chiwendufred97 at gmail.com. Go straight to the point saying, Clara, I want you to put your magic touch on my CV. Believe me when I say I have successfully made over 5,000 CV for people all around the world, and 80% of that numbers have successfully gotten a job offer all over, all across the globe with sponsorship. So reach me on my email called chiwendufred97 at gmail.com. Alternatively, you can come to my Instagram handle, which is called chiwendufred. Oh, my Instagram is called Clara Immigration. So I'm just trying to look for it here to post on the screen, as I know a lot of people are impersonating me using my Instagram accounts, using my name, defrauding people on Instagram. So for you to come to the right Instagram account, please come to the one with over 22,000 followers. Name Clara underscore immigration. That is the only Instagram account I have. Any other one is counterfeit. So ensure you're coming to the right one. As usual, I wish you well, and I cannot wait to hear back from you and get hold of your testimony. Bye, and thank you for tuning in once again.